In today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your WordPress site speed. A fast manning website is essential for a smooth user experience, better engagement, and improved search engine rankings. Whether you're new to WordPress or managing an established site, these optimization basics will help you see noticeable improvements. Let's start with caching, one of the most effective ways to speed up a WordPress website. Caching works by storing static versions of your pages so they can be delivered instantly when visitors arrive. This reduces the workload on your server and significantly shortens load times. To enable caching, log into your WordPress dashboard and install a caching plugin. Popular options include W3 Super Cache, W3 Total Cache, W3 Rocket, and Lightspeed Cache. Each plugin has a slightly different setup, but they all serve the same purpose, delivering pages faster. WP Super Cache and W3 Total Cache are powerful and widely used, offering detailed settings for advanced users. WP Rocket is known for its simplicity and is ideal if you want a quick setup with minimal configuration. Lightspeed Cache is an excellent option if your hosting provider supports Lightspeed servers, as it offers deep server level optimization. Once your caching plugin is installed and activated, open its settings panel. Many plugins provide recommended default configurations, which are perfectly fine for most websites. The main goal is to ensure that your site is generating and serving cached pages efficiently. Next, let's talk about using a content delivery network, also known as a CDN. A CDN stores copies of your site's static files, such as images, style sheets, and scripts, on servers located around the world. When someone visits your site, these files are delivered from the server closest to them, reducing loading time and improving performance. Popular CDN providers include Cloudflare, Bunny CDN, and StackPath. Getting started usually involves creating an account with your chosen provider and connecting it to your WordPress site. Most CDN services offer step-by-step setup guides, and some caching plugins integrate directly with CDNs for easier configuration. Once your CDN is active, your site's content will load faster for visitors, no matter where they are located. This is especially beneficial if you have a global audience. By combining caching with the CDN, you are addressing two of the most important aspects of WordPress speed optimization. Faster loading times lead to happier visitors, lower bounce rates, and better visibility in search engines. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other WordPress tutorials to keep your site running at peak performance.